Hello, CPD family. My name is Miss Shepherd, and I am a fourth grade teacher here at Cornerstone Prep Denver, and I am going to walk you through a quick tutorial on how to access CPD's distance learning platform. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your phone or your tablet or your laptop and open up to your internet browser, and you are going to type in for the URL capstoneeducationgroup.org. That's capstoneeducationgroup.org. So once this loads, you are going to see this home screen right here. This right here says Distance Learning Resources. You can click here for more info, or you can go to Schools. This tab right here says Schools. You will go there and you will click Distance Learning Resources. Distance Learning Resources. So once you're here, there's going to be three different options. The first one is our learning platform. You'll click this link, and we'll get more into that in a second. The second is for access to iReady. All of your students were sent home with their student username and password to log into iReady to complete work. This would be the link that you would click to access that. And then Accelerated Reader, they all should have their logins for that too. If not, I'm sure you could contact their teacher to get a hold of that. But you would click that link right there to access that. But what I'm going to focus on today is the distance learning platform. So you're going to click this link right here, and it's going to take you to a whole new website. So when you scroll down, it's going to talk about the office hours that are offered, student handouts, answer keys, and video resources. So you'll notice that Lester Prep's listed, Cornerstone Prep Lester, and then here we are at the bottom, Cornerstone Prep Denver. This arrow right here that I'm kind of clicking, that is going to be what you're going to click on to expand our information. So here you will see everyone's office hours from kinder all the way down to fifth. Every teacher has different office hours, and you'll be able to find your students' teacher's office hours and phone number to get a hold of them, most importantly. Also, you will notice that certain teachers are offering Zoom office hours too, and they will be in communication with you on how to access that. You'll notice that some of these are in blue, and that's because when you click on a name, so I'm going to click on mine, MTSU4 Shepherd. When you click on that, it actually takes you directly to resources that teacher has prepared. So for example, I've created a YouTube channel where I am posting YouTube videos of mini math lessons that are available. So you can find your student's teacher if they've posted video resources and click on their name, and you will be able to find work they have posted there. So now you might be wondering, okay, that's great. Where do I find the work? And so where you are going to find the work is you're going to click on your student's grade. So for example, if they're in kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth, or fifth, you will click on the link. This is going to take you to a different part of the page, and it is shared between us and Cornerstone Prep Lester, so there's not a specific Denver page for this. So I'm going to just use fourth grade as my example. So I'm going to click on fourth grade, and here you will see the math, ELA, and science work packets for the next 2-3 weeks. So we have the packet that was offered this week, next week, and then the week after. And then you'll notice that some of them have that blue hyperlink here for video resources where you're able to access those. So if you wanted to access the math packet for next week, all you would have to do is click right here, and it'll bring you straight to the work that needs to be completed. The quick checks will be offered here. These are going to be assessments that we can check in with how your student is progressing throughout the week with their work. It'll be great for teachers and admin to check in with you all. But I wanted to go down here, if maybe you have a student who's in lower elementary, like first grade, you would click here and you'll notice that it's very similar setup. It's got the student packet and then the video resources for the next 3 classes. Down here it says support classes, And you're welcome to take a look at just the little things that are offered there. Those are under each grade too. And if we go back here home, just real quickly, just a reminder that it gives you a great description of what is being offered right now, but please feel free to reach out to the school at any point in time if you had any questions. Any of the teachers and administration would be happy to help you answer as many as we can. And hopefully this was helpful just to navigate this page and figure out all the resources that we have to offer you.